everyone and welcome back to another video. So today, as you can see from the title, I have got a lot of new products here that I am going to test out. A lot of these are ones that I bought recently from the beauty show, a few have been sent to me, and then I just have a few other bits to try. So we're going to test them all out on camera today. Starting off, my first product is one that I got from Grace and Stella, and this is the Rose Spray Hydrating Facial Spray. So it looks like this. It's very simple packaging. It's very like straight to the point. Let's see how the spray works. So it's a really nice light mist. It smells very much of roses and it feels hydrating and refreshing. Next up, we have got a little bit more skincare from the same brand, and these are the energizing eye masks. These are the gold ones, and it says it's like an energy drink for your eyes. So there is a lot of liquid here, so I'm just gonna try and place these on. They are feeling very smooth. Oh, it landed on the floor, so you got to be careful with these because they are quite slippy. I am going to leave these on for about 20 minutes, but they do feel quite refreshing. Okay, so I've now left these on for 20 minutes, so I am just going to take them off, and my eyes are very glowy and hydrated and nice and ready for makeup. So now we are moving on to serum. For serum, I have got the Bare Minerals Skin Longevity Long Life Herb Serum. And this is again a little mini one, so it's an 8ml. It's very watery. Oh, it smells nice. Very lightweight, so I'm just going to pop that all over the skin, and it's made my skin feel very smooth. So that is my serum on. It does feel very hydrating and lightweight, which is what I like in a serum. Next up, we have got the Aroma Active Laboratories Soothing Universal Repair Cream. So again, this one is a little 15ml, so it's a little small one, and it's quite a thick cream. It's just making its way out of there, look. So I've just got a little bit there on the back of my hand. I'm gonna rub my fingers together. Oh god, that smells like a spa. And I'm rubbing this all over the skin. Oh, I don't know, it started smelling like a spa, but now it smells like hair removal cream. It is very nice and it feels not too heavy, but it does feel very hydrating. It doesn't smell like hair removal cream anymore. I think I just had a moment, but that does feel very hydrating and very soft. My skin is very soft and hydrated now. And then just to finish off with skincare, I have got a Q&A Grapefruit Multi Balm, which I'm actually going to put on my lips. Oh, it's very thick. It's like a pore sort of thing. That is very hydrating. I like that. Nice. It doesn't taste of anything either, which I like. Next up, we are on to eyes. So I'm just going to do everything that I've not got new off camera. I'm going to literally just put a little bit on my brows, and I'm going to use my P. Louise as an eyeshadow base. Come back ready for eyeshadow. Okay, so that is my brows and my base on for my eyes. So for eyeshadow, I have got a couple of options here. I did pick up this Misguided colour. This is a cream to powder pigment, and this is in the shade Cause I'm Icy, which is a blue shade, which is quite unusual. Otherwise, I have also got this XX Revolution palette, and again, this one is a very unusual colour. It's not the colour I thought I was going to get. I got this at the beauty show. They advertised a purple colour, but I got this one. So like black, pink, gold and silver, which honestly, like, I respect, like, you've got to try something different, but it is unusual. But I think I'm going to try it. I am going to try that today. So what I think I'm going to do to start off with is take the gold on my finger. I'm just going to pop this. Wow, that is really pigmented. I'm just going to pop that all over the eye. So I've only dipped in once there for that. Doing the same on the other side. I'm popping that all over the lid. Like, this is next level. So that's the gold. I really like that, actually. So far that gold's gone on really nicely. I am just then going to take a mix of the gold and pink, and I'm going to pop that through the crease. Okay, so I don't know what look I am creating right now, but there's a lot going on. What I think I'm going to do now is take the tiniest bit of that black on a smaller brush. I'm just going to sort of add a little bit of depth there. It is coming out very, it's just so pigmented. I think it's so cool how pigmented this palette is, but sometimes I find there's so much pigment, they can be a little bit awkward to work with. Do you know what I mean? So I'm just adding that black on the very outer corner, and I'm just going to start blending that out as well. Okay, so I've added a little bit of black on that outer corner. Now, just to add a little bit more, I'm going in with the silver shade, and I'm going to pop that on the very inner corner of the eye. And yeah, it's an unusual look. Obviously it's still a bit messy, I need to clean it up, but the pigment is great. I will say I think it's a bit too pigmented, if you can say that. I feel like it can be hard to work with, but saying that, I do like pigment in a shimmer, so that's worked really, really nicely. Next up, we have got lashes. So here, I've actually got a lash adhesive eyeliner to try, and also I have got a couple pairs of lashes. I've got a really, really massive pair, and I've got a much smaller pair. I think I'm going to try the smaller pair. The eyes are already wild enough with the colours, so I'm going to try the smaller pair. This is from the brand Goo Goo Cosmetics, so I'm going to try that along with their lash adhesive eyeliner. I've never tried anything like this before. Okay, so I'll chop the lashes down. The only thing I'm struggling with is there is a lot of glue on these lashes. I'll see if I can show you, but actually on the hair itself, there is a lot of glue. So it might not be an issue, but I just can't get it all off. Let's try this eyeliner because I'm so excited about this. It doesn't actually say how to use it. I don't know if I have to wait for it to get tacky, or I feel like shaking's always a good idea. I'm going to just try it. I'm going to start off by applying it where I need the lashes. So I'm going to just go in on the inner corner. It's definitely got a different texture to what a normal eyeliner would have. Then I'm going in with the lashes themselves. Oh, that's really stuck. I've never seen this before. It's magic. Well, that's worked really well. And that's all on. That's all added. Look. Look, that's on. That's it done. Job done. Liner and lash glue in one. That's magical. I'm going to do the other side as well. So I'm going to do the same again. Okay, so they are both lashes on. I would say the eyeliner pen is really, really good. I think if you're starting with lashes, the lashes will only stick to where you put the eyeliner. So it's a really, really easy way to apply lashes. I also really like the style of these lashes. I don't think it had a style on the box. Oh no, it does. It says Halo. So these are in the style Halo from Goo Goo Cosmetics, and they're really, really pretty. That glue thing that I mentioned, you can't even tell when they're on the eye. So it's not a deal, to be honest, a big deal. I think I'm so used to just pulling all the glue off. So next up, we are going back onto the skin. So I'm starting off with a primer. This is the Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Hydrating Primer. So I'm taking a little bit, and I'm going to focus this more on the centre of my face. It just smells like makeup. To be honest, it does just smell. It smells almost like foundation. But I put a tiny amount on, and that has gone a long way. I was only going to put it in the centre of the face, but actually I got enough to rub it all the way out, and probably even put some on the head. It almost feels like a serum. It just feels hydrating. It's given ever such a slight tacky feel, but it's more of a soft feel, I would say. So next up for foundations, I've actually been sent a few of these. I believe these are said Lumini? I'm not sure. But I've been sent 3 of them. So I'm going to start off with the ultralight and see how that works colour wise for me. I think that would be alright. So I'm going to take this on my new brush I got from Aldi. I actually made a short on this. These are amazing, and they're £2.50. This has made my skin so smooth. I'm going to go in on the other side. It is very, you can't feel it on there, but it's given good coverage. Definitely like a nice medium coverage without actually feeling like I've got anything on the skin. Okay, so that is the CC cream all applied. I would say for a CC cream, it's got so much coverage, and it does feel very, very smooth. I would say if you're going to buy this, it has slightly oxidized, so it isn't as light as it was when I first applied it, and it does give a very luminous glow. So if you like something glowy, this is definitely for you. So that was the CC cream. I love this, really nice. I'm going to do the rest of my base and then come back at the end for my first impression of lips, because I haven't actually got any more base products to try. Right, so I have finished the rest of my face with my like old makeup that isn't like new first impressions. We're now moving on to lips. So I've got quite a few products here. I've got a couple lip liners, a matte liquid lipstick, a normal lipstick, and a lip topper. So obviously we'll start off with the lip liners. I have got cinnamon, and I've also got truffle. So again, these are from the brand Goo Goo Cosmetics. Yeah, so truffle is more brown, whereas cinnamon is more pink. Because both lipsticks I do have here are all on the pinkier side, I am going to go in with cinnamon, just because I think it's going to be a better match for the lipsticks that I have got. I'm just going to apply it to my lips now. And straight away, there is so much pigment here. They're very, very creamy. Yeah, so it's given a really nice, creamy, like straight away applied, and really nice colour to it. So I really, really like that. I then think I'm going to go in with this Laura Mercier lipstick, and this one is the Silky Cream lipstick in the shade 40. I think this is going to be a little bit lighter. A lot lighter. Very pigmented again. once blended, they do actually work together quite nicely. So that again is a really, really pretty colour, and it's very silky, and then a lot of colour actually came out. So I really like that one. Then to finish off, I got this again at the beauty show. I won this on a ball machine, a ball grabber machine, which is really cool. This is the UK Lips Plumping Lip Gloss, and this is again in the shade Rose. This reminded me of the new MAC ones that everyone was like putting all the way up and hating because it snapped. So I'm going to only put this up the tiniest little bit. I'm going to see how this applies. That's so glossy. I'm obsessed with that. That's so glossy. Oh my god, I love that. So that is my makeup all completed. I've used all the products now, and this is how it's looking. I'm honestly kind of obsessed. With the eyeshadow palette, I didn't think it would turn out the way it did, but it's actually worked out quite well. My favourite part's the lips. I'm obsessed with the lips. So this is the look. Right, so looking through, I have to say, if I had to pick a product that was my absolute favourite, it'd be the UK Lips Plumping Lip Gloss, the one I put on at the end. It's got a slight plumping feeling, I can slightly feel it now. It's so glossy, and added the nicest colour, and I love the applicator, I love it. That's my favourite by far. I did also really, really love the lip liner from Goo Goo Cosmetics. It's really, really creamy and it's worked really nicely. It's really pigmented. I also loved the Grace and Stella Rose Spray. That gave such a nice scent and spray to my face, so I love that. And I did also find the CC cream went on really, really nicely. It's very, very smooth. So they're probably my favourite products from the video. I think the ones I'm a little bit still unsure of is, I will admit, I had to apply a little bit of lash glue on the inner corners because the lashes weren't quite sticking down. I really, really love the style of the lashes. They're really, really nice. But the liner pen just didn't quite stick them down enough. I love my Duo lash glue. I have done for years. Like, it's my go-to. So I think compared to that, I'm always going to use my Duo lash glue. If you are a beginner, it is quite a nice start, but I don't know how I'd feel leaving my lashes on all day with just an eyeliner pen. I think maybe I'm just skeptical. The palette I really, really loved. I found like it's really pigmented, but the colour scheme is weird, I will say. I'm so sorry. If this was like the gold with the browns, that'd make sense, but a pink, a black, a gold and a silver, it's just unique. I love the way it went on, but I think as a palette, it's like a really weird combination. I think I was also just a little bit unsure on the face cream. It had so many different smells throughout the experience of putting it on. It felt really nice, and by the end of it, I really liked it. But if you're sensitive to smells, just be wary with this face cream. Okay, so this is my finished look anyway. Let me know what you think of it. Let me know if you enjoyed the video. If there's anything here that you like, let me know. Thank you for watching. If you have any ideas for my next one, drop it in the comments. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video, and goodbye.